Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So recently I purchased a Piper Arrow online for use with my X-Plane 12 flight simulation system here at home. So one of the things I'm working on now is transitioning into the Piper Arrow. It's a complex aircraft and you actually need a logbook endorsement in order to fly this airplane. So before I go out and fly it in the real world, I always like to go out into the simulator first and do some practice. So here we go. Engine start checklist. So we begin with prop lever full forward, anti-collision lights on, battery on. This is a cold start, so we are full throttle, mixture rich, electric fuel pump on. We check our fuel flow, electric fuel pump off. Mixture idle cutoff, throttle back down to about a crack, clear the propeller area, and then we starter engage. Once the engine is running, we go ahead and do mixture rich. And then we throttle down to between 800 and 1000 RPMs. Next, we're moving forward to the engine run-up. And there's one item that's noticeably different on the engine run-up with the Arrow that you don't do with the Warrior, and that is the cycling of the prop. The cycling of the prop is rather simple. We're going to advance the throttle to 2000 RPMs, and then we're going to take the prop lever and we're going to reduce the RPMs no more than 500 RPMs, and we're going to cycle this 3 times. And now we're on the takeoff roll where we are full throttle and we adjust the RPMs to 2300 using the prop lever. We rotate at 65 and we stay on runway heading. Once we have exhausted any available runway for an emergency landing, we go gear up. Once we have reached our cruising altitude, we adjust our RPMs using the prop lever and we adjust the manifold pressure using the throttle. In this case, 22.5 inches of manifold pressure. Once our manifold pressure and RPMs are established, we trim the airplane for a level flight.